we're here at our local mountain run. Not very local, but we're gonna see how the EG goes. We got Ben in the RX7 right now. We're not gonna push it too hard because he's rubbing at the rear, and same with me. But we'll have a bit of good fun, see how it goes. We'll almost have 1,000 subscribers, I know. Round of applause. Let's try getting to 1,000 by the end of the year. That would be freaking dope. Not, that's alright. We'll get it soon, I know we will. If you guys enjoyed these Toge videos and stuff, please comment, because comment and like it generally, I understand when other YouTubers say like and comment shit, and it doesn't mean fucking, and like, they say it means a lot, it generally actually does, because it keeps the confidence going to keep doing these videos. Alright, Ben needs to hurry the fuck up, I cannot lie. Thank you. gotta take it easy at the rear because, as you heard before, insert clip. Yeah, we're rubbing a lot at the rear, so we'll just take it easy on this one. It's been pretty cruisy right now, no traffic at all. Less rubbing because we have taken it easy at the rear. But for some reason I hear like this, ooh, I hope that's not my diff. Did I just hit a bird? I don't want to be that guy, but I think I hit 2 birds. All I just see is 2 big things just flying from... I don't know, I'll have to look through the editing. It was a bird, but damn. Definitely not the best here. I'm gonna itch my foot. Roads are definitely not the best here. What the fuck is this bumpy ass road? I feel every bump on my ass right now. God damn. Ow. This is making it really uncomfortable. hope you guys enjoyed the video of me and Ben hitting the Toge. Finally, it was long waited. I think we've been waiting over about a year, or maybe a little bit longer than a year, to hit the Tog together. Even though we didn't go as fast as we wanted, obviously keeping it under the speed limit in our private roads. This is like the best footage I got. Some camera equipment did mess it up a little bit, but I am working on that, so the next video it will be better and we can work on better content at the same time, so I can bring the best quality of content. But anyways, let me know if you guys want to see more Toge videos, and as well, I want to hit the Toge with the E36 because I've got massive plans that are going to be coming really soon. At the same time, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Please like, subscribe, almost at 1,000 subscribers, so thank you. And yeah, see ya.